Now, a major safety concern has emerged from the Air India Phuket-Delhi flight that suddenly dropped around 300 feet, leaving several passengers and crew members injured. According to the initial findings from Airbus, the aircraft experienced a simultaneous loss of its key flight controls for around 4 seconds. Now, this included the elevators and ailerons, while the spoilers were also affected. These systems are critical for controlling an aircraft. Elevators help move the aircraft's nose up or down, while ailerons control the aircraft's movement from side to side. Spoilers help reduce lift and slow the aircraft down. The loss of control is believed to have happened after all three hydraulic systems of the Airbus A320neo failed at the same time. And during those crucial 4 seconds, the aircraft's control surfaces reportedly moved without any pilot input. The autopilot then disconnected and the cockpit received warnings indicating a possible stall. The co-pilot, who was flying the aircraft at the time, responded by pushing his side stick forward. This is a standard response when pilots face a possible stall, as it helps lower the aircraft's nose and regain speed. However, because the hydraulic systems were still unavailable, the pilot's control input initially had no effect. Within a few seconds, all three hydraulic systems recovered, allowing the pilots to regain control. But by then, the aircraft had entered a steep nose-down movement. The sudden drop reportedly threw several passengers and cabin crew members towards the ceiling of the aircraft, causing injuries, some of them quite serious. The aircraft's flight data was sent to Airbus for analysis. And in its initial assessment, Airbus pointed to a possible problem with a hydraulic pressure sensor, but stressed that this was not yet a confirmed root cause. Meanwhile, experts from Airbus and France's Aviation Accident Investigation Agency, the BEA, have reached national capital New Delhi and examined the aircraft. The latest findings have been shared with India's Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau, and the role of the pilot in command, Captain Sudeep Vasishtha, is also being investigated separately after he reportedly tested positive for marijuana following the flight. Now, following this development, Air India has ordered mandatory substance testing for pilots across Air India and Air India Express.